Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both phones. Do this now. On each iPhone, update to the latest iOS and connect to Wi-Fi. Keep battery above 20% so nothing interrupts. Sign in to settings. Sign in with your Apple ID on the second phone using the same email and password. Once you enter credentials, Apple may ask for verification code. Have your trusted device or phone number ready. This step proves it is you and prevents account lockouts. Once signed in, you configure what to share. Open Settings, your name, iCloud, and toggle Photos, Contacts, Messages, Keychain. Make deliberate choices because syncing merges data between phones. Next, enable iMessage and FaceTime under Messages and FaceTime. Select which phone numbers and email addresses send and receive. Make sure you understand purchases and backups. Keep separate iCloud backups per device, but accept shared purchases. Finish by verifying both phones appear under Settings, your name, devices. This confirms the shared Apple ID is active. Run a manual iCloud backup on each phone so you have restore points. If you see duplicates, missing messages, or FaceTime problems, first toggle the specific iCloud service off and back on, then sign out and sign back in. This often refreshes sync. If you still face issues, use the verification code flow again. Reconfirming trust usually resolves lingering permission or device list conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.